Hey, I'm Camille Kelly of Thimble Blossoms, and I am here in the Fat Quarter Shop Studios to show you a little bit of our Smitten finished product with Moda. This was a really fun collection to put together. We have some cute organizational and office supplies. I'm going to start here with my favorite item, which is the pattern box. This was something that my mom and I came up with together because we had a lot of patterns and we needed a way to organize them. And you can see that the back lays all the way flat, so you could store other cute things in the back of it in your sewing room. So let me show you a little bit about how this works. It comes with these little tabs which you can personalize and label however you'd like. I like to put my patterns in order by the pre-cuts they use, and also have a little spot for my favorite one. So you can see it fits a full-size pattern, just like that. And you can also have room for your mini patterns as well. And it also fits our journals perfectly. So these are our brand new Smitten journals. They come in sets of 3. And you can just stick those right there in the back. The little ones fit in there too. It's kind of a fun little setup. So this washi tape is something new that we're doing also. And my favorite one right here, the swoon washi tape. I think that one's pretty cute. But it comes in a set of 5 rolls and has some favorite Bonnie and Camille prints, some scallops. It's pretty cute. We also have these gorgeous throws that Moda made, and they are a great size, are super soft and snuggly, and we think you're gonna love them. You can find these throws and all of this finished product at fatquartershop.com.